Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either show or hide the home button in the Microsoft Edge web browser. So if you like having a little icon next to the refresh icon in order to just go right to your designated home page in Microsoft Edge, in today's tutorial, I'm going to have you guys covered, and we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up Edge if it's not already open, and select the menu icon up at the top right. So go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to go down and select settings from this list. On the left side, you want to select appearance. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down. And then where it says select which buttons to show on the home button, you want to go ahead and toggle that to the on position. So just by clicking inside that oval one time, it should become blue, which will turn it on. And you can see it up here as well. If you want to turn it off, you can just toggle to the off position. And you can also set the button URL by selecting this option immediately next to it, in which case you can go ahead and select what page you want the home button to lead to. So underneath home button, you can select either a new tab page or a custom URL if you want to type that in here. And then you would select save. And now if you close out of here and just selected the home button, it'll take you to your home page. So if I go to Wikipedia, for example, and then I select the home button, we set Google as our home page. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.